Software Requirements Specification SRS. What is SRS? Definition. As SRS is a document that describes what a software system should do and how it should behave. Purpose. It helps everyone understand what the software will do. Importance. Ensures everyone is on the same page. Reduces mistakes and misunderstandings. Helps in design, development and testing. Parts of an SRS document. Introduction. Purpose. Explains why the software is needed. Scope. What the software will and won't do. Definitions. Important terms explained. Overall description. Product perspective. How the software fits into a bigger picture. Product features. What the software will do. User needs. Who will use it and what they need. Constraints. What limits the software. System features. Detailed list of what the system will do. Describe each features. External interface. User interfaces. How people interact with the system. Hardware and software interfaces. How the system interacts with other systems. System attributes. Performance. How fast the system should be. Security. How safe the system should be. Reliability. How much downtime the system can have. Types of requirements. Functional requirements. What the system will do. Example, the system must allow user to log in. Non-functional requirements. How the system will perform. Example, the system must handle 1,000 users at once. Why is SRS important? Clear communication. Everyone understands what the software will do. Helps in development. Developers know exactly what to build. Reduce mistakes. Helps avoid building the wrong features. Quality control. Make sure the software is built as expected. Creating SRS. Gathering requirements. Talk to users, clients, and stakeholders to know what is needed. Analyzing. Organize and clarify the gathered information. Write in the SRS. Put the information in a clear and organized way. Review and feedback. Make sure everyone agrees with the requirements. Best practices. Be clear. Use simple and clear language. Be specific. Avoid vague terms. Clearly describe what is expected. Use diagrams. Show system behavior with visual like diagrams or flowcharts. Stay consistent. Use the same terms and definition throughout. Challenges in SRS. Changing requirements. Client may change their mind during development. Miscommunication. Sometimes what users want may not be clear. Complexity. Big systems have a lot of details, making it hard to write a simple document. Conclusion. Summary: an SRS helps guide the development process and make sure everyone understands what the software will do. Final thought: a good SRS reduces risk and helps build a successful product.